we're going to be going over how you can declare the type and define variables in one statement for enumerators. So previously we've had enums and then enumerators like the following right here. And then we would go inside of our main, or you can go wherever else, and you can make a new instance of one of these enumerators by doing like persons. You can say x is equal to Brandon. This is a good example here. But of course I spelled this wrong, so let me correct that. And you can see now it's totally fine. Usually we did this in our main method, but I was just showing you could do it anywhere. Now what if you want to make a persons, but you want to do it in the same line as your enums? Well, you can. These two statements can be combined within this one statement. And this just makes sense if you know that you're going to have to create some instances later. You can already create them and then just use them later. To do this, after your enum declaration, and then you have your name, you have your enumerators. After and outside of the braces is where you're going to want to do this. So we can have x and y. We don't need these anymore. As a matter of fact, we can take these, put them out here, and you can see that since they're in the same scope now, it's going to give you an error. If I hover over it, you can see that it says redefinition of x. So that's basically doing the exact same thing. In our main, I printed our x and y. They're both at 0 because they start with Brandon. You can go inside of here and manually assign them to whatever you want. So if I did y is equal to Madison, we should still have a 0 from the x, and then we're going to have a 2 from this Madison because Madison's at the 2. And you'll see that's how we would do this. So that's how you would declare the type and define the variables in a single statement. I finished up the enum section, so if you have any other questions, leave them in the comments below or check that playlist below the like button for more C++ and more enum stuff. I hope to see you in our Introduction to Classes section.